Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some more advertisements. These are really very essential for us. Some public notices like appeal, change of name, and mistake will be discussed today. Let's start. Today we will write advertisement for the purpose of to let. Suppose you want to give your house, give your flat, give your rooms on rent. For this purpose, we write advertisement for the classified column, that is to let. In it, the beginning word will be available, on rent, available on rent. Then we will give the description of our house, rooms, and other facility of the house, rooms, maybe flat. So we will provide all the description, all the information regarding all these things. Then we will come to rent per month or per annum, that is suitable to the rentee, जो किराएदार होगा उसको शूट करेगा. उसके बाद अपना contact and mobile number. This may be address, mobile number, or some other way in which you can communicate with the people. Let's start writing. The beginning word will be same, that is available on rent, like that. What is on available on rent? A newly constructed house. And what is the kind of house? We can say 3 BHK, 3 bedroom, hall and kitchen. It means 3 rooms, bedrooms, 1 hall and 1 kitchen. Then we can say spacious rooms, well maintained lawn or park, whatever is suitable to you, you may write. You can also tell about to water supply and power backup. So we can write 24/7 water supply, about electricity, power backup, like that. You can ask about the location. While giving location, we can write good location. It is the same that we have discussed earlier, near about market, near about bus stand, near about railway station or mall, whatever it is, highways. So in that case, we say good location. If you want to tell the actual location, in which city, in which phase it is situated, you may write in the middle of Park Street, New Delhi. Park Street, New Delhi. After that, we can tell about the. However, there is no way to tell us about the reason why we are giving on rent. This may be on any purpose. Suppose we have given here the location in Delhi, in parks, around Park Street, in the middle of. Then we can write about price or rent. What are you expecting? Expected rent. You may give your desirable price, like it may be more than it, maybe 55,000, maybe 6,000, maybe, but we have just written 4500 per month. Interested parties contact immediately to Rakesh Sharma. That is an imaginary name, or you may write whatever is given in a question paper. Rakesh Sharma. Immediately to Rakesh Sharma. You may also give the address. Adarsh Colony, New Delhi. Mobile number can also be given. Like that. Then you can give the boundary to the box. In this way we can write advertisement for the purpose of renting our house, our flat, bungalow, story, apartment, whatever. But sometimes we want house, flat, apartment on rent for some specific purpose, maybe for residence, maybe for opening a clinic, and maybe for both. So in that case, if question is asked of such kind, then you will write like beginning word wanted, then type of house, apartment, in which area you require a house, what facility you expect rent to be paid, or how to be finalized, contact and mobile. For saving the time of you student, I have already done this and can explain in 2 or 3 minutes easily. Especially wanted an independent house. This is the style of house, independent, where you live alone. In Ghaziabad, this is the city, name of city given here, maybe New Delhi, maybe Mumbai, maybe Chennai, maybe Kolkata, whatever it is, and on a reasonable rent. It means you don't want to give much, you want at cheaper rate. The house is to be used as residence cum clinic. It means you want to use your house, your rented house, as both. You want to make it a residence, plus you want to open a clinic in that particular space. And now comes to the facility, amenities. What type of facility you want? Like well ventilated room should be well ventilated, house should be well ventilated. At least 6 rooms. You require 6 rooms for your hospital or clinic purpose, and these should be attached bathrooms. Next, ample parking space for 2 cars. It means you want good parking facility where you can park at least 2 cars. Now comes to the contact and parties. Interested parties, those who are interested to give their houses, apartment on rent, they may please contact to you. Your name is given in question paper as Madhu, Dr. Madhu, MD. At phone number is given here. This is an imaginary number, does not matter. Whatever is given in question paper, you should write, or you can fabricate with your own will to finalize the thing. It means the things like how much rent should be paid will be finalized after negotiating with the owner. So in this way you may write in a very good way and very easily by keeping these points in mind. Let's write some more advertisement. Some public notices like missing, appeal, changing of names are also considered advertisement. In that case, we are writing today about missing. Suppose some boy below 5, 10, 16, or due to some mental imbalance, or some old one after their highly 60 plus age, or due to the habit of forgetfulness, this happens. So in that case, if you are to write about missing, you have to keep some points in your mind, like heading will be missing, beginning word will be missing in capitals, then the description of the lost, whoever has been lost or whoever has lost due to any reason, but you have to give the description like age, complex, color, then the place where he is missing, he has been missing, place of missing you can say, then date of missing, after that request to the informer, contact, mobile number, and whatever the reward or any appraisal money you want to give, you can also offer for that. So let's see how we can write. Beginning word missing, then here a boy of 16 has been missing, a boy of 16. After each feature we will put comma mark or full stop. Wheatish complex, We have three kinds of complex. British complex in India. Normally we have British complex. इसे बोलते हैं गेहूं का रंग. And then fair complexion, or if it is in South, dark complex, or if it is in West Indies or in some Arabian countries, so you can say black complex also. Height 5.5 feet. Wearing what he is wearing blue shirt and black, whatever black jeans we have written here. So these are the things he is putting on. Mental imbalance. This is the main feature of the missing. He is mentally imbalanced. And from his residence, he is missing from his residence, that is 17 Krishna apartment, Faridabad. This may be any place given in the question paper. Since the date 10th April 2020, if it is, or as per the question paper, the informer is requested to contact nearest police station or inform me personally at this contact number. So you may ask the informer to inform you personally or at the nearest police station where you can collect the missing one. The informer will be suitably rewarded. This is your offer for the informer. The informer will be suitably rewarded. You may offer anything you like as per word of that missing one. In this way you can write missing. In another public notices like appeal, if you want to write about appeal is written in case of some requirement of blood, maybe kidney or some other body part. If somebody is suffering from such kind of thing and the person is really very important for us, then suppose a question is given कि young promising IITian is suffering from kidney problem and you have to write appeal in some newspaper. So like that, in that case you will write beginning word, heading appeal, beginning word will be no matter. You will give the personal detail of the person who is in need. Then what is the condition, status of his illness, where the donors request to the donors, how they can donate, to donating place, hospital name of hospital, like that. Then contact or reward if you can offer something, like that. So these things should be kept in mind. Let's discuss how we can write heading in capital appeal. Then a promising IITian with one kidney beyond repair. It means his one kidney is almost damaged earlier and other damage in a road accident. This is fresh accident in which he has lost one of other of his kidney, is on dialysis. So now due to kidney problem he is on dialysis. This is the name of hospital, Red Cross Hospital, the city Panipat. The donors are requested to donate one of their kidneys. Only one kidney can be donated, so donors are requested to donate one of their kidneys. As we have two kidneys, so we can donate one if it is emergency. Kindly contact the CMO, Chief Medical Officer, in hospitals of the hospital, or contact me personally at the mobile number, the given mobile number. In that case you should write your proper mobile number, as if somebody is to contact to you and number is not available, how can he very well. This act of kindness will be suitably rewarded. then you can offer whatever your will is. So this act of kindness will be suitably rewarded. As per his worth, we can reward him. That's all for today. We will discuss some more advertisements tomorrow. Till then, keep watching our videos. I hope you are learning staying at home. Thank you.